Welcome back to Muscle Car. Today, we're diving into a game changer in the pickup world, the all-new 2025 Mack Pickup. Known for their legendary heavy-duty trucks, Mack has taken their expertise and created a pickup that's not only rugged but also packed with modern technology, making it a standout in its class. The 2025 Mack Pickup is built for those who demand power and durability without compromising on style and innovation. Its bold and aggressive design immediately commands attention. The muscular front grille, flared wheel arches, and sleek LED headlights give it a dominating presence on the road. Mack's iconic logo sits proudly up front, signaling its heritage of toughness and reliability. Under the hood, the Mack Pickup offers several powertrain options to meet every need. The base model comes with a turbocharged V6 engine delivering impressive horsepower and torque for everyday use. For those who need serious hauling and towing capabilities, there's an available diesel V8 powerhouse that produces massive torque, making it perfect for heavy-duty tasks. Mack has also introduced a hybrid option for those seeking a blend of performance and efficiency, showing their commitment to future-forward technology. This truck isn't just about power, it's built for performance and comfort. The advanced suspension system ensures a smooth ride, whether you're on rough terrain or cruising on the highway. Its all-wheel drive system adapts to various conditions, providing maximum grip and control. The towing capacity is industry-leading, making it a top choice for those who rely on their truck for work or recreation. Inside, the Mack Pickup combines ruggedness with refinement. The cabin is spacious, with premium materials and attention to detail evident in every corner. The large touchscreen infotainment system comes equipped with all the modern features you'd expect, including wireless connectivity, voice control, and a premium sound system. Mack has also prioritized safety with advanced driver assist features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera for easy maneuvering. Customization is a key feature of the 2025 Mack Pickup. Buyers can choose from a variety of bed lengths, cab configurations, and accessory packages to tailor the truck to their specific needs. Whether you're looking for a workhorse for the job site or a versatile pickup for weekend adventures, the Mack Pickup offers endless possibilities. The 2025 Mack Pickup represents a bold step for Mack into the consumer market. It combines the brand's heritage of durability with the modern features and versatility today's drivers demand. This truck isn't just about getting the job done, it's about doing it with style, comfort, and confidence. Thanks for watching Muscle Car. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the most exciting vehicles hitting the roads in 2025. See you in the next video.